Welcome to Learn Kario G.
The wheels on the rooster bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the rooster bus go round and round, all through the farm. The rooster on the bus goes cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. The rooster on the bus goes cock-a-doodle-doo, all through the farm. The chicks on the bus go cheep, 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 cheep. The chicks on the bus go cheep, 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 all through the farm. The cow on the bus goes moo, 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 moo. The cow on the bus goes moo, 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 all through the farm. The ducks on the bus go quack, 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 quack. The ducks on the bus go quack, 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 all through the farm. The sheep on the bus go ba, 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 ba. The sheep on the bus go ba, 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 all through the farm. The horse on the bus goes neigh, 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 neigh. The horse on the bus goes neigh, 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 all through the farm. The pig on the bus goes oink, 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 oink. The pig on the bus goes oink, 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 all through the farm. The dog on the bus goes woof, 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 woof. The dog on the bus goes woof, 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 all through the farm. The cat on the bus goes meow, 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 meow. The cat on the bus goes meow, 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 all through the farm. The farmer on the bus says time to sleep, time to sleep, time to sleep. The farmer on the bus says time to sleep, all through the farm. Daddy Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Daddy Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Mommy Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Brother Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Sister Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby Finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Here are you?
If you like the video, do like and subscribe to our channel for more learning videos.
His name, O, B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name, oh. Clap for the first letter each time you sing a new verse. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name, oh. I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name, oh. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name, oh. Clap, clap, N-G-O, G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o. Clap, 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 oh, 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 and Bingo was his name-o. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o. Clap, 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 and Bingo was his name-o. Little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. I'm a little teapot, strong and bold, with lots of tea for you to hold. Just lift me up and take a sip. Careful now, so it won't drip. I'm a little teapot, big and round. Here's my whistle, listen to the sound. When I start to boil, hear me sing a happy tune. Ding, ding, ding. I'm a little teapot, built of cheer, bringing warmth to all who are near. When you need a friend, I'm here to say, let's have tea and laugh all day.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a good fat hen. 11, 12, dig and delve. 13, 14, maids are court. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen. 17, 18, maids are waiting. 19, 20, my plate's empty. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a good fat hen. 11, 12, dig and delve. 13, 14, maids are courting. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen. 17, 18, maids are waiting. 19, 20, my plate's empty.
If you like the video, do like and subscribe to our channel for more learning videos like this.